Hello, good morning. Today we are again taking a look at a Nissan Sunny CVT automatic petrol XL variant. This is a 2013 make and single hand driven, though on the RC it is a second owner, but basically a single hand driven vehicle. This is a petrol car and the color is red and it is absolutely scratchless. There's not even a single scratch on the vehicle. As you can see, there are customized alloy wheels which have been installed on the car. We are taking currently an exterior walk around of the vehicle, so you'll know how the car looks from outside. This is the right profile of the vehicle, absolutely spick and span, shining like a new car. And this was owned by a judge, and these tail lamps are absolutely clean and clear. No damages to the tail lamps, no scratches on the tail lamps. The rear bumper is absolutely clean, no scratches, no damages on the bumper as well. And this is the left profile. Now I don't see any scratches or dents on the left profile as well. These alloy wheels are really complementing the look of the vehicle. The diamond cut as well as the black finish on the alloy wheel is giving a quite sporty and classy look to the vehicle. Coming to the front of the vehicle now, the bonnet looks absolutely clean, original, and the headlamp on the left hand side is absolutely clear, no damage to the headlamp. The fog lamps are absolutely moisture free. The grille is original and spick and span, and the right side headlamp again is absolutely clear, no scratches or no damages to the headlamp as well. Even the fog lamp is absolutely intact. Let's take a closer look at the tires. These are about 85 to 90% grip on tires, so the tires are new. These were replaced in 2020 March, so there's a bill as well for the tires. Even the battery was changed in March 2020, so the battery is under warranty. So this is how the car looks. There is a black vinyl which has been pasted on the top, so that gives a sportier look again. So the top is black and the rest of the car is red. Overall, a beautiful looking sedan, and not just a sedan, I would say a stretch sedan, because it's a long wheelbase vehicle. I'll open the car and take you inside. Let's take a look at the interiors now. Okay, so this is how the door trim of a Nissan Sunny looks like. All beige with a chrome door handle. And then you have the 4 power window buttons here. The car, all 4 doors lock, unlock, and the power window lock switch. The electric ORVM buttons and the joystick and the beam adjuster is here. This is how a dashboard looks like. Quite refreshing and different from all other vehicles. Looks pretty clean and decent. These are the seats. The seat covers are excellent, though there are no seat covers required in this car because this comes with factory fitted leather seats, but the gentleman has already installed some seat covers, so he might have wanted to protect them. This is the gear shifter. This is the automatic climate control. This is a display where you see what temperature the climate control is running on. This is the automatic mode for it. This is the blower speed adjuster. This is the AC button. This is the temperature control. This is the front glass defogger, and this is the rear glass defogger. Now the best thing that I like here is this. This is a Sony touchscreen music player. with USB AUX, Bluetooth and a rear camera. It also supports Apple CarPlay. So this is something which most of the people nowadays want. The blowers are absolutely intact, no damages to the blowers as well. The other side door trim is this. I'll just zoom out so that you get the full view of it. This is the door trim. That's the rear door trim. That's the rear seat. The roof lining is absolutely intact and no stains or dirt on them, so that's also clean. Now let's take a look at the odometer. I'll just close the door and the car instantly becomes silent cabin. Okay, it's done 83,476 kilometers. This is the music player. When I put on reverse, this is the camera. There are steering mounted controls given to the car, and the best thing is these are compatible to the music system, the aftermarket music system that has been installed. So you still can operate the volume rocker, source button, and these forward and rewind switches from the steering wheel itself. I'm just about to take the car for a spin. I've put it on drive mode. The car is absolutely silent. It's a petrol vehicle, so there's no noise, no vibration. I don't even know if the car is on or off unless I accelerate the car. So it's a beautiful machine to own and humongously spacious. The rear space is as good as a Skoda Superb. I have shown that in my previous Sunny video as well. You can take a look at it to get the reference from it. The car is driving absolutely smooth. The gear shifting is absolutely flawless. You won't even know when the gear shifts. By the way, this is one of the few automatic vehicles which gives the fuel efficiency in double digits. So it drives about 13 kilometers to 14 kilometers in city in per liter of petrol, and about 16 to 17 kilometers per liter on highways. The car is driving flawless. The suspensions are absolutely silent. I'm sorry. And there's no noise from the suspensions. The car cabin is absolutely quiet, and the car pickup is great. I mean, I would just say that if you have to buy a car in a budget of 3.5 to 4 lakh rupees, and it should be a less old vehicle, and it should be having all the features that a luxury car must have, then this is the one you can go for. Because if you go for a Honda City or a Hyundai Verna, probably up to 3.5 to 4 lakh rupees, you'll just get a 2011 make. You won't be able to get a 2013 make. This is a August 2013 make car, so this is like it's a steal deal. And you get everything. You get a push button start, you get a steering mounted audio control, you get 2 airbags, you get ABS, you get alloy wheels, you get leather seats, you get a touchscreen music player with rear parking camera, you get Apple CarPlay, you get automatic climate control, you get electric ORVM, you get Bluetooth connectivity for your phone on the car and whatnot. All 4 power windows, power steering, rear glass defogger, everything that you can aspire for is there in the car. By the way, this has got the largest boot in the segment, and the car is marvelous to drive. If you want to take a look at the vehicle, take a test drive of it, you can reach me on 9768-001-006. The car is available at Navi, Mumbai, Nerul, Sector 19, plot number 37, Kanheri CHS. And this review has been done, or a virtual inspection has been done, on Convoy Cars Navi Mumbai YouTube channel. The car price is 3,99,000, slightly negotiable. Come take a look at the car, take a test drive. I bet you would not even discuss the price, you would just want to buy it. Thanks for watching this. Bye bye.